we want to reiterate to everybody that StripTill is not a tool. StripTill is not a pass. StripTill is a system. As you can see, I mean, basically our StripTill definition is a farming system that manages residue and provides controlled seedbed preparation to create the ideal seed growing environment in specific zones within a field. And I think that's really important. I mean, we kind of come up with that definition there so that, again, we can reiterate it's the whole system. It's not just a pass, it's residue management, it's seedbed preparation, and really it's doing nothing more than what we really need to provide those things. We don't build, for StripTill, we don't build a StripTill tool. We build StripTill tools to be part of the StripTill system. Behind me here, we're actually introducing a new StripTill tool to go along with that. We have our 2984 Maverick StripTill units that we've had out for actually 25 years now. It's evolved a little bit. That's your traditional knife style StripTill unit. It has the residue manager on there, all on a parallel linkage. Of course, we can place multiple fertilizer products with that. But then we also have introduced that we have what we refer to as a strip freshener unit that can play many different roles. That unit does not have a knife. We can actually freshen already made strips, or we can actually make the strips with that unit. We are now introducing here at the StripTill conference a new model of that very same thing. It's actually pictured here behind me, where we actually have the row cleaner on the front. We are accurately gauging the depth. We actually have 3 blades on this, where we are actually making the seed bed, and then we're finishing that off with the rolling basket on the back of there. The new model that we're introducing here is going to have pneumatic controls to us, so it is adjusted from the tractor cab. So it's very similar to the existing model of that we have, but it's just giving you a little bit more cab control, a little bit more accurate control with that. We also have it's a high-speed fertilizer coulter called our 10,000 Magnum. The significance of that is the nutrient placement. So again, the StripTill system is not a StripTill pass, and so sometimes it makes sense for some growers and their system that our StripTill system is actually going to be a 2-pass system, one for fertilizer placement and one for the seedbed preparation. We have the tools for the StripTill system. When we're talking about the StripTill system, there's so many parts to that StripTill system, and so really that StripTill system starts at harvest. One of the very popular products that we introduced a handful of years ago is our stock Devastator that we put on combines. That's a roller that goes underneath the corn head, so as we're harvesting our corn, we're actually crimping that stalk to help get a better residue breakdown, faster residue decomposition. So if we're doing corn on corn especially, or as we've already talked about here at the StripTill conference quite a bit, we've got more and more people that are strip-tilling soybeans, and so that residue management starts with a combine. The Devastator is a great tool to start that process. We do the StripTill process itself, the StripTill application process itself, and then we actually get into, of course, planting on that. And probably what we're known most for at Yetter is, in fact, the planter attachments, residue management, which we have a number of different items, and then also closing wheels in the back of the planter. So making sure that planter is actually putting the seed into your StripTill system is obviously very important.